Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 18 from Rizal, Rejara Rodriguez. And our next candidate, Sasha, is?
Our next candidate is candidate number 19 from Barangay San Isidro.
We have Karil Joyce Bulanagi.
What qualities and responsibilities do you think a true Binibining Lapas embodies? And how would you utilize your crown to make a positive impact in our society?
So, anong mga katangian at mga responsibilidad ang sa palagay mo ay dapat ikatawan ng isang tunay na binibining lapas? At paano mo gagamitin ang korona o titulong ito para makagawa ng magandang epekto para sa ating lipunan?
Thank you. And to answer that, before entering this pageant, I had my fair share of doubts because this is my first major pageant. But I told myself that I should seek discomfort and go out of my comfort zone because I believe it is when we are faced with great uncertainties in life that our best quality and character radiates. And I stand here today as a woman of perseverance and determination. And as Binibining La Paz 2025, I dare to inspire others to seek for change and be the voice that they believe in. And as a college student, I see an importance in having an education. And if I were to win Binibining La Paz 2025, I would be an advocate for empowering children with education. And I believe that we could do that as a collective together with the help of the leadership of Mayor Herdan and his council. Because I believe that as Lapazeños, we could only do so much as individuals. But as a collective, we have the ability to inspire change and create a better community for La Paz, for everyone to thrive in. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 19 from San Isidro, Karil Joyce Bulanagi. So, let's call our last top 10 finalists tonight from Barangay San Roque. Palakpakan po ninyo, candidate number 20, Cherise Ordonez. Cherise, good evening. Sasha?
Here's your question. If you were given the opportunity to have a conversation with the father of La Paz, our Honorable Mayor Venus Jordan, what important topics would you raise and why do you think they are crucial for the progress of our community?
Alright, so kung ikaw ay mabibigyan ng pagkakataon na makausap ang ama ng bayan ng La Paz na si Mayor Venus Jordan, anong importanteng paksa ang iyong tatalakayin at paano ito magiging mahalaga sa pag-unlad ng ating komunidad?
Given the chance to talk to our mayor is a great privilege. But I won't say something, but rather hug him and thank him because despite the burdens and responsibilities, he deserved the comfort that he was once given us. And we are grateful for our mayor because he is not being uploaded because of his surname, but rather he is being uploaded because of the progress and change he has brought in our community. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. Candidate number 20 from Barangay San Roque, Cherise Ordonez. So, Sasha, may I invite you back to our podium. Ladies and gentlemen, that wraps up our question and answer portion. Ayan. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, a round of applause for our top 10 finalists. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, we would like to, habang tinatabulate po ang ating scores, we would like to give a very special award this evening. Sasha, we would like to thank some very special individuals tonight. So, ladies and gentlemen, first, we would like to thank our official photographer. So we are going to give them a very beautiful plaque of appreciation. Ladies and gentlemen, first, we have behind the captivating images po of Binibining La Paz candidates, ang ating pong team na pasasalamatan ngayong gabi. So, ladies and gentlemen, Sasha, let's call on
Our official photographer, Jai Morcilio.
palakpakan naman natin si Mr. Jai Morcilio. Siya po ay na-feature sa Village People magazine as one of the promising photographers of 2020. And Sasha, he was also
awarded the Award of Excellence in the Fashion Photography category at the EAC Model Fashion Week Pillars in 2019.
Yes, he also collaborated with top brands like Globe, Bragai's, Lazada, and Burlington.
He was also the official photographer for Mr. Grand Philippines 2024, Miss Grand Philippines 2023, a Bragay sponsor shoot, and Muchachi La Union in 2024.
And he has also worked with renowned beauty queens such as Catriona Gray, Shamsi Subsub, and more.
He has also worked with famous celebrities such as Samuel Lee, Jeneline Mercado, Dennis Trillo, Enrique Hill, Sanya Lopez, Elise Joson, and more.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Jai Morcilio. Palakpakan po natin siya. Ladies and gentlemen, our plaque of appreciation is also given to our creative director, January Saga Abad. And January is also the creative director for the Binibining Pilipinas official photo shoots from 2019 to 2022.
He's also an art director for the Miss World Philippines official headshots from 2021 to 2022.
He has collaborated with global publications such as Ilustrado Dubai and Mega Magazine.
He also directed projects for international models, including Irina Shayk and Kelsey Merritt.
And has worked with local icons such as Liza Soberano, Venus Rock, Coco Martin, and Zini Ganados. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin January Saga Abad. And our next plaque of appreciation is given to Mr. Herwin Cardoza, our swimsuit designer.
He styled renowned personalities like Catherine Bernardo, Sara Geronimo,
Wow.
Moira De La Torre, Bini, Chi Filomeno, Antisa Manalo, and Maxi Adreson.
Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you so much to Mr. Herwin Cardoza.
Ano ba yung dala ng atong kunin mo?